was our first week at Myrtle Beach, where it all began. It was 102, nothing to do, man, it was hot. So we jumped in, watching that blonde hair sway.